Holburn,
All right, got it. Next speaker,
Dr.
please.
Julie Holburn. The next three speakers are Eileen McDermott, Brian Kay, and Brad.
Good afternoon, Chairman and Supervisors. I've spoken here a few times now. You are aware of some dates that I've given you of failure to protect and public corruption that are impacting my family, my children and I, and our safety. And it has to do with Orange County Family Court is a really serious problem. Hi, can you, better? Sure. It's a very serious matter, and we're seeing this issue all over the state with kids like Maya and Sebastian. We're seeing it in the nation with women like Catherine Kasanoff. She's the New York prosecutor who just took her life, blaming what she had experienced going through in family court. Also, Ty and Brenly, William and Emmeline, and Macy. And if you don't know those names, you need to Google them and find out what's going on. Because in every one of those cases, just like mine, the minute that we started reporting abuse to family court, they came back with the number one comeback, which was parental alienation, to cover up the abuse and then punish the reporting parent, which in this case is me and all those other people there that I just listed. Catherine Kasanoff, Maya and Sebastian, Ty and Brenly, William and Emmeline, Macy, and the multitude of others that I'm not mentioning. This is happening to, and it's a very big problem in California. And when they are also using the term parental alienation, it is something that is called a pseudoscience that's been refuted by science. It was coined by the gentleman, Mr. Gardner, who is no longer living with us, and has been refuted. In addition to that, they are then taking kids away from the protective parent, placing them with the abuser, and putting them in reunification therapy and camps, which if you're aware of what Peaky's Law is, that's sitting in the assembly right now. And this is what's happened in my case. I'm a mom who had sole legal custody and primary physical custody until November of last year, when the new judge took away my custody, put me on monitored visitation, put my kids into reunification therapy. And I have no contact with my kids because now I can't afford monitored visitation at $200 a week, in addition to the fact that my ex-husband owes me $80,000 in past due support, and DCSS still has done nothing to file contempt on that. And my children have not seen their grandfather since November, or their brother since November. And I have had no contact with them. And even the judge has said multiple times that this parenting plan isn't normal. And I'll tell you, it's not normal. It's devoid of law, and you need to step in and do something, because my children are now 100% in the care of somebody who was deemed a perpetrator of domestic violence no less than twice. I need you to get involved. My children need you to get involved today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next speaker, please.
Good afternoon, Board of Supervisors. I wear my shirt very proudly. This is my president.